Hello, I'm going to show you how to walk through signing up for a Class Dojo account as a parent. This gives you access to our classroom, it gives you access to our school story feed, and if your student chooses to utilize it, and if we have the availability of it, it gives you access for the students to be able to do their school story and to show you some of the aspects of what they've been working on in class that they may want to share for you to be able to see. So your first thing you're going to want to do is to go to www.classdojo.com. That's where you can sign in. Your other option is to go and download the app that they have. Your student will be bringing home, and you will receive home a piece of paper that looks something like this that says, please join our classroom community on Class Dojo. It will provide you with the information about downloading the app, the Class Dojo app, and it will ask you to open it up and select parent and then to enter a specific code. This code here is me putting myself in as a parent of myself as an example to show you how this works. So if we come to www.classdojo.com, I'm going to be doing it from the aspect of doing it on the web-based program. Here you'll see that we have this nice blue button over here to click on for sign up. We sign up, we go in and we select parent. It's going to ask you to enter that code. You're going to want to hit the caps lock button there so that you can enter the code. Since it does give it to you in all caps, it's going to ask you to check the code to confirm that you entered it correctly, and it's going to show you your student and which classroom it is that you're being linked to. I'm then going to confirm that yes, I am my own parent as Mrs. S's parent, and it's going to then ask you to give some information for signing in. First, last name, email address, and password. Since I already have an account, I'm going to bypass this. This is pretty standard information that you should be able to fill in. That follows for the way that many websites have for doing their signups. Once you've gotten logged in, you've filled in your password, you've created all of that, it's going to bring up and show you exactly a home page that will show you what's happening within the school. So on this page, and there's lots of good options that we have, and this is part of the reason that we like Class Dojo, is that it gives you the opportunity to do some things and to see what's happening, not just in our classroom, but in other aspects of the school. So you can see here that on the school story, there are some other teachers that have posted about some upcoming events that are happening, things that are happening within the school so that you can keep up on those aspects of what's happening, as well as if there were anything in particular that as a student, your student had posted, they would be there for you to see under your student's name. And then it also lets you send messages. So within our classroom, we've had some messages that we have sent about our scholastic book orders and about the choir performing at the Capitol. We'll have some more updates here later about other things that will be happening in our classroom. But it's just a good way for us to stay connected with you to stay connected with us, and for you to see and have an idea of what is happening around our school. Thank you so much for your time today, and I hope that this was helpful for you to be able to create your Class Dojo account to keep tabs on what's happening at our school, in our classroom, and with your student. Thank you so much.